In traditional Japanese houses, deep roofs create a harmonious connection between the interior and the garden. From inside the dimly lit room, residents can enjoy the view of the bright garden, creating a calming atmosphere. As Junichiro Tanizaki put it in Praise of Shadows, the beauty and comfort of a new traditional Japanese home can be fully appreciated in dim light. The philosophy of harmony between architecture and garden, or Teioku Ichinyo, inspired us to design a truly calming environment by combining the natural sensibilities of the Japanese people with warm, handmade elements. In this project, we wanted to fully express the traditional Japanese sensibility, while also combining it with elements from other cultures to create a comfortable living space. The design highlights the contrast between light and dark, with calm dim areas and dynamic bright areas, reflecting the beauty of soft light and bright illumination. We worked with 7 traditional Japanese craftsmen who mastered specialized skills ranging from sukiya carpentry and plastering to sliding doors and lacquerware. By combining their work into one space, we managed to create a unique and profound atmosphere. Natural materials such as earth and wood that are processed with great skill, when illuminated by light, create a space with extraordinary character. We believe that a home inspired by the Japanese cultural context and respecting the craftsmanship of ancestors can be passed down to future generations. This design reflects Japanese luxury with the concept of Wabi-Sabi, the beauty in imperfection. Through intensive collaboration with craftsmen, we created a home that is not only calming, but also reflects the true strength of Japanese culture, which is the balance of calm and tension.